World Collaboration Alert. NASCAR and the streetwear powerhouse Anti-Social Social Club have come together to launch a one-of-a-kind limited edition apparel collection that's shaking up both the fashion and motorsports worlds. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a partnership between two such distinct cultures truly capture the essence of both? This new alliance merges NASCAR's high-octane racing spirit with Anti-Social Social Club's edgy, urban aesthetic, resulting in a capsule collection that's both exclusive and electrifying. The lineup includes everything from hoodies and t-shirts to jackets, hats, and even custom helmets, all designed to showcase the intensity and individuality found on racetracks and city streets alike. Adding to the excitement, a race car adorned with the unique livery created from this partnership will be featured prominently at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway during race weekend, giving fans an unforgettable visual and cultural experience. Megan Malater, NASCAR's Vice President of Licensing and Consumer Products, describes the collaboration as fresh, bold, and unapologetic, highlighting how both streetwear and motorsports thrive on energy, culture, and personal expression. She points out that this drop unites these seemingly different worlds, inviting fans to represent NASCAR in a style that resonates with contemporary culture, both at the track and in everyday life. The NASCAR X Anti-Social Social Club collection launches on October 11th and will be available for purchase on the official websites of both brands. This partnership challenges traditional boundaries. Will fans embrace this fusion of fast-paced racing and streetwear rebellion? Or will purists feel these worlds just don't mix? Share your take in the comments. Do you think this collaboration hits the mark or misses the curve?